Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. And today's video is as interesting as my hairstyle is. Yes. Yeah, because definitely it's about this hairstyle and how I got to do this hairstyle. So if you want to see how I got to do this, make sure you watch the video till the end for every other detail and all other information you'll need for this hair tutorial. And don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you're new here, subscribe. Welcome to the family. And you can also comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. And without no further ado, let's get to the video. And this is the end of our tutorial. I hope you guys loved this hairstyle, also loved this video, and you learned something new on this tutorial. And I got this extension from Natural Hair Kenya. They have really nice extensions. I'm going to put a link on the description box so that you guys can order directly from their IG page after watching this video, if it happens that you'd like to get this extension. And yeah, I really love this hairstyle because it's something different for me. I have not tried something colorful like this, like I have done this time, but I feel like it's really cute and simple. Like, it's something you can do if you really can't control and you'd love your hair to go backwards, or if you'd love to have a low ponytail and you really can't lay down your hair, or if you can't plait your hair, then this is the best style for you, because it's effortless. In short, it's effortless. Yes. And this is a kinky drawstring ponytail, guys. This is a kinky drawstring ponytail, and I just love how it looks like it's my own hair. Yes, if you guys didn't know I had short hair, then you'd mistake this for my hair. Anyway, this is a kinky drawstring ponytail from Natural Hair Kenya, like I mentioned, and I just love how natural it looks. Like, yo, who doesn't love a good extension that looks really natural? It looks like my actual natural hair. Okay guys, so I hope you guys loved this video. You can share this video to your sister, your cousin, your mother, your auntie, anyone you think this video is going to help. You can share to them. You can also comment down below on your thoughts about this hairstyle, and until our next video, bye.